Yo, I don't know what wrong with the Simit no. Kevin Simit, Nado Simit. Yo, one of the pan wagwan. Welcome forward to the channel, you see. Spice our queen of dancehall now. We don't want to over man come and bring down the Empress, you see it, for she's a celebrity and we love her, you see it. So if you're new around here, please remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You get it right as a job. Yo, when you have a virgin come out and say, yo, you meet Pastor Smith, that a RT, you see it, for a man and no boss around here, you see it. Yeah, man, him say meet him, and then when I go church and this man want him, yo, I'm not going to talk them things if I'm not response to talk them things there, you see it. So I'm going to make him forward and talk him thing, you see it. But John was still, a time for RT come down now, you see it. Yeah, man, the crystal ball for going now, man, yeah, man. Come down now, RT, you see it, for you try this one with icon now. So, yo, wanna drop it in the comment section and talk to RT if you come down now.
Time, the man I tell the girl this, the man I look me bottom. Cause them time there, me I drive, man. Who know them time there? But even them, me telling you something about me. Me live a manor park, and me live a Waterhouse. If you know in a my little circle, you don't know about my little wealth. You understand? Cause my business is enough for everybody. You know, see me come out and talk shit. This is not me on a day to day. You understand? But it's too much. You can't know who you be. You're a predator RT boss. Me know that. And so you can't have your way. Elimination is your only option because guess what? You don't want nobody walk and talk the truth about you as long as it's something we're going to ruin your reputation. But then all I will get a boy dance and that you don't know. I think I just fucking pretty face alone you look on. That you don't know. I think I just fucking pretty face alone you look on. I'm a look a brain man. See if it come first, Dada. You see like how you love to address people. Me want you address me. You understand? It's just like how you have one bishop down a tower named Bishop Carnegie. I have a story for do on you too, no Bishop Carnegie. Don't worry yourself, you know. Feel like me forget about you, no. Don't feel like me forget about you, no, Dada. Don't forget about you, man. Look on me, you know. Me could have really got up, but me got turn my bottom and make cranny URT ball jump on this. You mad? And trust me, me don't even look good now. No one to know me when me younger. Me don't look good now. What about this me could have want to give? Not even your mouth, me don't want on my front. You know how you do that? So someone will come up and someone will talk some shit. You don't know what people go through. No, use a pastor. Yeah? And because you don't get where you want, you gotta tell people for run me and tell people say me a batty man. And even the same woman where you claim say spirit say me and her to get married, you gotta tell her say a man me want and a she me want. But you never tell her say you a look my bottom. You never tell her that.
Me. Here are. Here are. Never like papi her like she start delete her something. Here are. Watch her text my phone. Dirty Spice say she a get to you next. Jesus! Look here! The girl a text me and I don't say me she a text. Look! She don't know me, you know. Oh, she get me number. God, all a blood clot confuse them. He come like that. He come like the girl. Ask somebody for the man, the enemy number. God make she get my. Yo, no father take me crazy. You never see it. You never understand when me I try to tell you no. for the enemy number. Oh God, make she get my number. And the girl a text me and a chat me. I don't want to tell me, oh my God. Oh my God, I don't want to talk about. Hold on a little bit. Oh my God, I don't want to talk about. They gonna chat me.
Story my mom.
The voice note them. She delete some of the voice note them and I talk about. Me have to be careful because I'm a job. See the girl that chat me. You blood clot swan. See her? See her number there? Swan! Let me make sure I flip the camera and show her. I want to get the number, right? Swan, I don't know you. But today somebody gonna send you this video. When them send you this video, my name is Grace Hamilton. And you see my name? You don't play about me, I am chosen by God. You see what they hear me nearly dead and people are laugh? Them never understand when I go through. Me is a two life me have. Cause God not ready for me yet. You know what it means to be chosen by God? If you don't know, look it up. I am chosen by God. My spirit is not a normal spirit. That's why the enemy wants it. Because me have a strong spirit. So Swan, welcome to me, Grace Hamilton. Them call me Gracie. I don't know who give you my number. But God make you text me because I need to get a message. Say I saw the whole of a plot up and a scheme up to come up against me. Because when you see black woman a succeed and it a bono and I don't like it. I get a galia. I get a galia where you say never gonna reach the way. You never understand, say. When we go down on my knee. And I say, God, I start to use back God's word upon him. God can't play with me now because I know my Bible. You know, when I say, God, member say, you say. God, member say, you promise me, say. Hey, yeah. If you don't know, you don't know. All who are plot up against me, if you don't know what I know about Jesus Christ from Nazareth, you would have leave me alone. But because you don't know about my God, because you don't know when we walk up and down in this house and chant out, you would have leave me alone. But you don't know, so I just pray and say, God, forgive them because they know not what they have done. So you welcome to me, Swan, whatever your name from England. God don't play about me. And me you did a talk to. You chat me with me. You never know. You never did know. It's me you a chat with me. And you never did know. God me worship. That is one. Hold on, you know. This is two. Hold on.
That you don't know. I think I just fucking pretty face alone you look on. Have a look at brain, man. See if it come first, dada.
Hold on, we're not ready to